IT Infrastructure Library is the global standard used to implement IT service management processes. This framework encompasses a wide range of processes that work together to deliver a strategic advantage to the organization and create change in business and growth. It helps to prioritize and implement changes in an efficient way while attempting to keep problems to a minimum. This is done by determining the processes needed for change and then requesting approval to move forward. A detailed record should be kept of this process, including all requests, changes, and outcomes. It is important to distinguish between technical change control, IT governance change management, and organizational change management. Technical change control is the specific aspects of reviewing the technical changes to be made by all key stakeholders, saying yay or nay, and when the changes can be implemented if yay. These are different than the broader changes that take place through IT governance. Management, for instance, would initially decide whether a project should take place and assess its viability throughout the duration of the project. A third type is organizational change management. Its goal is to reduce the effects of changes to stakeholders impacted by the changes made in the first two through training and communication. ITIL is the overarching framework. The first step to this ITIL process is to assign key roles. These roles consist of the requester, which is the team requesting the changes, a change advisory board who is responsible for reviewing and approving the requested changes, the change manager, who is the individual that prioritizes and evaluates risks, and the changes implementation team, who is responsible for the actual hands-on implementation. The framework for this process is extremely thorough, covering a wide range of processes such as incident management, problem management, service level management, continuity management, release management, capacity management, financial management, availability management, security management, help desk management, and knowledge management. Using the ITIL change management process has many advantages. It creates an efficient process of conducting changes which produce a faster and more economical transition. Changes and the timing for the changes are vetted by the appropriate stakeholders to minimize the risks and effects. The documented record of changes also provides a mechanism for tracing the root cause of problems in the event of an outage. ITIL change management also processes the risk of harm to IT systems and interruptions to end users. This lessens the impact on the organization while reducing the costs of implementation. It requires continued evaluating, planning, and testing.